The ACDelco 23,491,875 GM Original Equipment Windshield Washer Pump is an essential replacement part for restoring the functionality of your vehicle's windshield washer system. Designed specifically for GM vehicles, this pump is engineered to meet the original equipment specifications, ensuring reliable and long-lasting performance. Whether you're driving a Chevy Impala or another compatible GM model, this washer pump will have your system working like new, providing clear visibility in all weather conditions. The ACDelco 23,491,875 windshield washer pump is designed to be easy to install, with clear instructions and numerous helpful videos available online. One satisfied customer shared their experience with a 2008 Chevy Impala, where after driving through a flooded area, the windshield washer stopped working. With just a few simple steps, including accessing the pump through the passenger wheel well, they were able to replace the faulty pump with this new ACDelco part. The old pump popped out easily, and the new one fit perfectly, restoring the windshield washer fluid to full functionality. This washer pump helps clear your windshield by pumping fluid to clean the glass, especially when driving in rain or snowy conditions. Ensuring that your washer pump is in top condition is crucial for maintaining visibility, safety, and comfort while on the road. This part is a direct replacement for the original GM pump, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable operation. The ACDelco 23,491,875 GM Original Equipment Windshield Washer Pump is built with high-quality materials and advanced technology, making it a top choice for vehicle owners looking to restore their washer system without hassle. Don't wait for poor visibility to become a problem. Click the link in the description to purchase this essential part today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality automotive products to keep your vehicle in top shape.